Hi, how is everybody out there? I hope you all are doing well and healthy with your beloved family. Now, let's begin our lesson today. Today, we are going to listen, say, and read the words with the h sound, and the I sound as in the split digraph I. Let's learn to say the phoneme h. Repeat after me. H. Again, h. Now, let's watch this video and sing together.
Here comes the letter H. H is for hello, hello. H is for horse, horse. H is for heart, heart. H is for house, house. H is for hotel, hotel. H is for hand, hand. H is for hair, hair. H is for home, home. H is for holiday, holiday. H is for handsome, handsome. H is for hospital, hospital. H is for hundred, hundred.
Now, let's look at the words with h sound. Hat, hat. Now, repeat after me. H, at, hat. I have a big hat. Hot, hot. Now repeat after me. H, hot, hot. The food is hot. Hall, hall. Now repeat after me. H, all, hall. This is a hole in my house. House, house. Now repeat after me. H, house, house. My lovely house. Happy, happy. Now repeat after me. H, happy, happy. The kids are happy. Healthy, healthy. Now repeat after me. Her, healthy, healthy. To keep healthy, we must maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Student's Book, page 75. 4. Listen and say.
Huh, huh, huh. Harry's hall is full of hats. Harry's hall is full of hats.
Now repeat after me. Harry's hall is full of hats. Again, Harry's hall is full of hats. Very good. Next, let's learn the I sound in the split digraph I. 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 Now, let's look at this video.
Hello, my name is Mr. Thorne and you are watching Mr. Thorne does Phonics. Today I'm going to show you the split I digraph. Now here is the I sound normally and the I spelling, but today we're going to split it apart to make the I and the E separate. But they're still in words together, they're just split and spread around the sounds. See if you can spot the I split digraph in these words. B-I-K, bike. Can you see the split sounds, the split digraph, the split I spelling? I-K, like. S-I-D, slide. Here are some more. Press pause now for some thinking time. Mile. Fire. Hide. Chime. Shine. Time. Lime. Line. Can you think of any more?
Now, let's look at the words in split I digraph. Bite. B I T. Bite. Bite. The baby bite her mother's finger. Dine. D I N. Dine. Dine. Only 2 people are allowed to dine per table. File. I L. File. File. Keep your documents in the yellow file. height, h, I, d, height, height. They are playing hide and seek. Kite, k, I, t, kite, kite. The kite flies high in the sky. Lime, l, I, m, lime. The lime that's sour. Pipe, p, I, p, pipe, pipe. My grandfather has a pipe. Time, t, I, m, time, time. What's the time now? It's 12 o'clock. Time to do some exercises. Take your Superminds Workbook 1B and turn to page 75. Task 1. Write the words. Listen and say. In this task, you have to write the words. Then, listen to the audio and say them. Now, write down the words first. Fill in the blanks now. I repeat, fill in the blanks now. You may pause this video while you are writing down your answers. Okay, let's listen to the audio and say them. Ready?
Workbook. Page 75. 2. Write the words. Listen and say.
1,
Harry's Hall.
2,
A small house.
3,
Healthy food.
4,
A happy frog.
5,
A hot pizza.
6,
An old hat.
Did you get them all correct? Very good. Now, let's proceed to the next task. In the second task, you have to get your English module for PDPR Year 2 and turn to page 1. Task 2. Read and circle. In this task, you have to read the given words. Then, find the words and circle them. There's a correction here. The word time appears twice. Please cancel the word time on your right and replace with the word file. I repeat, please cancel the word time on your right and replace with the word file. File. Now, we have come to the end of the lesson. Stay healthy and safe at all times. Thank you and goodbye.